Today I'm making easy homemade mayonnaise. Vegetable oil, a large egg, Dijon mustard, salt, white wine vinegar, and sugar. Simple ingredients and much better than anything you can buy in a jar. We're using a food processor, so we'll have lots of power to emulsify the mayo. I'm using a whole egg here, not just the yolk. It's easier, less wasteful, and gives us more liquid in the bottom of the food processor for the blades to catch. Tangy vinegar and sharp mustard will punch up the flavor. Mustard helps the mixture emulsify. Salt and a bit of sugar will balance the acidity. After 5 seconds or so, start drizzling in the vegetable oil very slowly. If you add it too quickly, it will separate and the mayo will be greasy and lumpy. And don't get tempted to substitute olive oil for the vegetable oil. If you do, the mayonnaise will turn out bitter. As you add more oil and the emulsion forms, you'll notice that the mixture thickens and becomes lighter in color. When you've added all the oil, scrape down the sides of the bowl. Then keep processing until the mixture is thick and homogeneous in color and texture. That's it. Just transfer it to an airtight container. You can refrigerate the mayonnaise for up to a week. Slather this bright mayo over white bread and top with tomatoes, salt, and pepper for a great tomato sandwich. Tangy, creamy, easy homemade mayonnaise.
Thanks for watching Cook's Country from America's Test Kitchen. So what'd you think?
Leave a comment and let us know which recipes you're excited to make, or just say hi.
Now you can find links to today's recipes and reviews in the video description.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
See you later.
Alligator.